Today I'm going to show you how to edit a Trollface video in CapCut on PC, step by step, using a simple template workflow that makes the whole process fast and beginner-friendly. If you've ever seen those funny Trollface style edits online and wanted to recreate one on your computer without wasting time manually building everything from scratch, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right template, add it to your project, drop in your clips, and let CapCut automatically fill the slots for you. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and get into the main editing area. Once you're on the home screen, look for the templates icon. This is where CapCut keeps all of its ready-made editing styles, and it's the fastest way to build a Trollface edit without starting from zero. Click on Templates to open the template library. Now that you're in the templates section, use the search bar and type Trollface. This is the key search term that will help you find the exact style you want much faster. As the results appear, do a quick visual check of the thumbnails. You want to look for thumbnails that clearly show a troll face or anything that matches the meme style you're trying to create. The thumbnail preview is important because it helps you avoid opening the wrong template and saves time later. Once you find a template that looks right, click the Add Template button. This will load the selected template into your project so you can start customizing it with your own clips. After that, click on the template itself to open it fully and view the available editing sections. Inside the template, look for the clip slots area. This is the part that tells you where your videos need to go. CapCut uses these slots to automatically match your footage to the template's timing and layout, which makes the whole process much easier. Now drag your videos into the clip slots one by one. You can use your mouse to pull the clips from your media library and place them directly into the available slots. As soon as you drop the clips in, CapCut will autofill the slots for you. That means the software handles the placement and timing automatically, so you don't have to manually adjust every single frame. If you have multiple clips, keep dragging them into the remaining slots until everything is filled. Take a moment to make sure each slot has the correct video assigned, especially if you want the final Trollface edit to flow properly. After all your clips are in place, preview the project to make sure everything looks the way you want. Check the timing, the visuals, and how the template applies your videos. If something feels off, you can swap clips or adjust them before exporting. This is the best time to make small fixes so your final edit looks clean and polished. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a Trollface video in CapCut on PC using templates, clip slots, and autofill. This method is one of the easiest ways to make meme edits faster, especially if you're just getting started with CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more CapCut editing guides, PC tutorials, and simple creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.